What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. I'm here with two cases from a company called Ferilinso, and these two cases are what I call the bargain bin type cases. You know, you dig around on Amazon, you can find those diamonds in the rough type of cases, and these are for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, these cases will remind you a lot of Spigen cases, so they should be very familiar with you when it comes to the form factor and how it looks. So they're not anything that's too off-brand. You can get them from Amazon on Prime. They do deliver very quickly, so they're not like a Chinese knockoff. Now, these two cases, one of them is called the Hybrid Defender scratch resistant case. Now, this one of the cases do have what they call a non-slip, soft, smooth, comfortable feel with a sleek design that gives your phone that real stylish and attractive look. You know, excellent using experience. Does have the carbon fibers on the side, resistant dot design that brings you that stylish look. It adds more grip to it. Very lightweight. All the cutouts are precise and on point, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. This one of the other cases they have is a carbon fiber design case that kind of remind me of a Spigen. It does have a pattern on the back, whereas the Spigen has a smooth back and the two carbon fiber ends, one at the top and one on the bottom. This one also has precise cutouts and everything, so everything should be on point. Let me get my unboxing knife so you can see what I'm talking about. Enough of me running my mouth. Now, this is the one that kind of remind me of the Spigen. Their carbon protected carbon fiber design one. Real nice pattern. Has the company branding on the inside. And again, it has this diamond matrix pattern on the side for grip, added grip. And it does have the camera cut out on top. And all the buttons on the side kind of protrude out a little bit, the volume rocker, so you know where to find them at. Again, this is pretty reminiscent of the Spigen case. Only difference is it just have a pattern in the middle part and a little fake carbon fiber look on the ends. Let's get the next one open. And that's the other one when I told you where the carbon fiber lines up a little differently on the sides of the case. Has a pattern back. Both of these cases are $7.99. I will leave the links to them down below, so feel free to check them out and get one. But let's start with this one. Do have the camera cut out, so let's go over that real quick. Check it out on the phone. Real nice smooth look. Everything's exposed. Got its own camera cut out right there, so it kind of adds to the sleekness of it. Do have like this carbon fiber feel look to it. Pattern back for grip. Check out the volume rocker. All right, let's check out the camera notch up here. So that's nice and smooth, so that's no problem with that. No knocking. The opening is wide and ample. Volume rocker, let's check that out. Yeah, no problem with that. Power button, everything is fine. Again, this one is $7.99. Let's try out the other one, the carbon fiber look one. This one is real nice and clean. I don't know which one is my favorite. I kind of like them both. This one also have an individual cutout for the camera. Nice cutout for the do not disturb. Power button, camera button is nice and cut out, but let's test it. All right, pay attention to the top. Nice and smooth cutout. Opening. Again, it does have the carbon fiber look right there on top and bottom, pattern in the middle, diamond matrix grip on the side. Do not disturb, power button, no problem. And the volume rocker, nice and tactile, everything is broken in. Let me check out the lip protection. It is provide a very minimal lip protection. I would not depend on face down with this one. It does have a little bit of something there, but I've seen better on other cases. Let's check out that lip protection on this other one I didn't do. This one also has minimal lip protection for that face down look. Cutouts on the bottom is on point. This one does give you a SIM card slot cutout. A lot of cases don't have this part cut out. It usually keeps it closed, only leaving the speaker open. But this one does have both, so that's kind of unique. They both had that dual opening on the bottom. But these cases seem like they're more along the lines of looks and everything. But I will leave all the links to these down below. So that pretty much does it for the Ferilinso cases. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.